Hello and welcome to Fine Line Classic Cars Northampton. I'm David. Just like to walk you around a beautiful 1969 Daimler 250 V8. Quite a unique car. Finished in a beautiful Cardinal Red with the full beige leather interior. The recorded mileage on the car is just 36,000 miles, which we believe to be correct. It's backed up by many previous MOTs, back to its very early life, service invoices, receipts. The last owner has owned the car for 23 years, since 2002. He only covered 2,000 miles during that period of time. The majority of the time it was locked away in a dry, heated, warm garage, only emerging on dry, sunny days. The car was restored back in 1995 and it's been rarely used since then, so the condition is very much as when the restoration was completed all those years ago. The paintwork is absolutely stunning. I can only describe it as unmarked. A gorgeous shine. Just looks absolutely gorgeous. Goes well with the wire wheels. Yeah, an absolute picture of a car. It follows in the same vein in the interior, in stunning condition. Beautiful beige leather seats. It's got the carpet over mats. All the wood on the dash is beautiful. And what I like about it, all the switchgear, all the dials, very crisp. Yeah, hardly any use at all. The lining is lovely, as are the rear seats. Yeah, an absolute picture of a car. We will be taking it for MOT this week, so we'll have a good look underneath it and get some photographs on the website, which is Fine Line Classic Cars Northampton. The car will be marketed at £24,995. If you'd like any further details, or if you'd like to arrange to view the car, please call myself David on 01604 842 091 or 07787 573 255. I hope you enjoyed the video of this beautiful car, and thank you for watching.